YouTube, it's Christabel here, and we're back with Sons of Anarchy Season 2, Episode 10. The last we left it, they just burned down the whole studio, and I'm left wondering, is Chuck in there? Is Darby in there? Is Jax going nomad? What's going on? It's just, everything's all up in the air. I'm not going to do a mad recap because it's a double bill, same outfit. I'm going straight into the next one. If you do enjoy, please like, comment, subscribe, come back for another one. Check out my Patreon, all that good stuff. So let's get cracking.
Is she really going through with this?
Yep.
I didn't strike the goddamn match.
Maybe that's a case you make to Jax.
If he really believes that I would burn down Cara, I got no reason to keep him around. Folks gotta be unanimous.
Where you
Making
at?
sure you're not dead.
Well, am I?
I want you to hear it from me. I think it's best I go nomad.
You ain't gonna like that.
And you gave me your word.
I'm trying, Piney. If I don't get away from Clay now,
I'm gonna kill his ass.
one of us is gonna end up dead.
And we both know who that should be.
I appreciate you, Piney.
If you're not number two, he's your father, Jax.
My
What do you
father
mean?
died on 580, 16 years ago.
16 years ago. Oh, you're a fucking psychosaurus, bro.
Put it on.
When? Who?
We don't know yet. Jax thinks Clay did it. Killed the porno biz.
Why the hell would Clay try to kill Paul?
Jesus Christ.
That's why Jax is talking nomad.
Nomad?
That's what's going on, my bro. Come and sort these motherfuckers out, yo. That's the Irish. Pussy Clark.
What the hell's the matter with you? Jim, wait!
That's it. You playing with us.
Explain to me.
How our guns.
Why, you, Mac bastards, are selling guns to the piece of shit that blew me up.
Let him go, Chebs. Put the gun down.
Careful, brother.
Who's this?
Pop your sutures.
Sons have got a new pipeline.
No, they don't.
How are you, Jackson?
Been better, Jimmy. Chips, come on. Let's get out of here.
You're dealing with the enemy. You are at the enemy.
Not VP anymore. Nomad.
Prospect.
The vote hasn't been done. You lot are just giving out all the info, yo. Shibs, that was an emotional move.
Put eyes on him.
You got a warrant?
You see me searching?
I got nothing to say to you. Get out, now.
I was just curious, Jax. I just wanted to know why you were leaving Sam Crow.
They're like, I didn't hear about you leaving no Sam Crow.
The Irish screwed you, so you screw them back. More importantly, you screw Ethan Zobel. You're not my target now. But if you don't help me, I will come after you.
You're gonna come after me anyway, once you've done with what you've done with.
Tara, I do want to thank you for confirming a suspicion of my mouth. Agent Cohn. ATF always assumed that he went AWOL, but I never believed that, no. We both know that he's more than missing.
He's wherever he's supposed to be.
Well, when I'm done burying the Irish, I'll just go digging into Charming. Maybe find me a shallow grave.
I'm joining the Nomad Charter of the Sons.
Jax says he's joining the Nomad Charter. Needs to get away from Clay.
Jesus Christ. Nomad is MC Purgatory. No family, no roots.
He seems convinced it's the best thing.
Yeah, well, he's so deep in his hate for Clay, he don't know what's best.
Control your man a little bit then. Please, it's getting out of control. His ego is just too much.
Kill me!
Watch it! Stop! Watch his head. All right, let him up.
You fucking assholes. Hate police, you know. Physically, they've just come out of hospital.
What do you want?
You're shit at this girl.
Jimmy O'Fallon. I know that you two have history. I know he excommunicated you from the IRA, that he stole your wife, raised your daughter.
Great. Thanks for that little trip down memory lane. What we done here?
We both know that he's the devil. So.
Bitch, you're looking more like Lucifer every
Maybe we
day.
help each other, huh?
Votes tonight.
Sit. The other day, you asked me what was in that box. It wasn't just old T-shirts.
I know.
Why'd you burn it?
I didn't know what to do with it.
Your dad was lost. Darkest part of his life.
Oh, so you're trying to get through to him through the manifesto. Try to discredit it. Don't say you've got another
That's
copy.
good you have it.
No, if I know your father, there's more than one copy.
Yeah.
I don't think your father's death was an accident. Page 449.
Quoting page numbers and shit. Trying to stop him. If it stops him from leaving the club, then I'm for it, because that ain't the answer, in my opinion.
Philip?
Sorry, love.
Our bond with his sons runs deep. Belfast Charter's been our right hand since '87. Not gonna jeopardize that.
I'm not your errand boy, Jimmy.
Aye, Philip. You are. I banished you. Took what's yours. These are the facts. Have you seen any recent pictures of Carrie Ann? She's all Fiona. Tight little curves, breasts popping. Timely, actually. Fiona's looks fading. But Carrie Ann, the thoughts that enter my brain.
Don't make a deal with the motherfucking atheist.
Awful, I think.
You vile motherfucker.
But then I recall, she's not my daughter. So what's the sin? Piss off. Piss off.
We sell guns. You make bullets. Now, I could either help you or crush you.
Okay.
I don't think Clay sabotaged Cara. You want to believe it. Makes it easy for you to hate him.
Dr. Barclay is taking the surgery.
Why?
The ruse you played with Philip Telford?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Faking symptoms to extend his critical status? Come on, doctor. The biker's not that clever. He was coached by you.
No, he was not. Prove it.
I was taking care of a vulnerable patient.
You'll get an opportunity to explain yourself to the board. Until then, I've had your privileges suspended.
Well, you pressing a 9mm. You make 7.62 AK rounds?
Full metal jacket or a hollow point.
Ooh. Hollow. How long would it take to press a case?
1,000 rounds, a couple hours.
I do know some serious people. I have some serious fungi.
Taste test.
Mushrooms. Tripping mushroom?
Need to know if they're any good.
What?
You're gonna need to proxy a vote. I'll let you give your vote to Bobby.
Once you're patched, members of your family. This charter is your home.
Everyone's giving you side eye, Jax, just for asking for it. It's not the answer. KTF? Now, I'm not for informing, but when Woody Allen's trying to breathe down my daughter's neck,
You do not touch Sam Crow.
I don't want the Sons. I want the IRA.
Zobel, the assault charges against the club, drop them.
Well, that's not easy.
And we are done talking.
No, okay, all right. I'll get into it. What else?
My daughter and my wife.
Fiona is not an innocent bystander. She's third generation
Full
IRA.
protection and immunity. Because you'll kill them both. IRA safe house. The guns. I can give you the location.
Got a lot of new source through the Chinese. Should be up and running before the end of the month.
We're losing ground, brother.
I heard. You'll be my first order, I promise.
I can feel it. Wants to cure me. It's cool and warm at the same time. It's corn. Corn.
Warm. I done mushroom once in Amsterdam, and it was awful.
Product quality tested.
I literally tasted this mushroom. We put it on pizza because they taste foul. And after a while, I laid down and I literally thought I could hear my own brain leaking out of my ear. That's not fun. So yeah, haven't tried those since my early 20s. So if the studio's burned down, one, and now you're going to be knocking off OP with him, raising his kids, I don't know. Are you going to quit the business, baby girl?
It's the bet.
Are you going to be happy to share the pom-pom with hunters and shit?
Forensics said it was definitely
I'm
ours.
telling you now.
Sounds
If I die and you get over me
still running tests.
before a year, 18
They
months,
found multiple sets
I'm
of
coming to haunt your ass, okay?
Aye.
Knock one out for a few months. Jeez.
You want me gone?
This ain't gonna be my call. You put this transfer in motion.
I'm not putting it on you. I'm asking you a simple question.
Yes.
What's in heart? You've got a nerve. But at least it's honest. Can only fix if both sides of a coin are flexible, Gemma. Now you've got to work on your husband.
The club's gonna need your help.
For what?
You need to protect him.
This is the best thing for Sam Crow.
Say no. Come on, Poppy. I'm relying on you to be stubborn as a mule. Say no. Come on, Pappy.
Yay. Yay.
That one's stung. Why are you asking for it, Jax, if you don't want to hear the answer?
Unanimous.
Take off your jacket, Jax. This is hurting me. Why is it hurting me? It's just a piece of leather and a bit of fabric. Have you got anything here, though?
Agent Junestall, ATF.
Always there to hold him down. Or hold him up.
Meet me at my house. Both of you.
And I am perfectly willing to look past all these illegal guns and the decades of jail
Deal
time,
for a deal.
because I want
Just leveling up.
Don't know. Don't know anything.
I know naughty.
Guys.
But I learn.
I arrest you and seize the guns. Then I leak a rumor that you've turned rat. I pick up your father on some bullshit charge.
Here she goes again,
Jimmy believes the rumor.
trying to get people killed.
And he pushes the button on you.
Don't know what's a lie.
Okay. Let's see how that plays out.
Let's bluff this bitch. I mean, Donna died, but let's play.
Can't tie anything to Jimmy. But me dad can.
Oh, part of your keyring, motherfucker. Okay. I didn't expect to see him here, huh? I ain't got rid of him yet.
Sit down, both of you.
Are you gonna tell him, Gemma?
You too, sweetheart. It's Bobby's party. I didn't get into an accident driving home.
Gemma's game is like, I can't disrespect, I can't not appreciate the game. Because it's a bigger picture. But she's using it to manipulate the situation and keep it together, which I want to happen.
It's a goddamn doll in the car seat.
You see? Oh, you fucker. You see, the truth comes out. Fuck.
I knew his voice. Tat on his throat. So Belle's right hand, Weston.
I don't know why this is getting me emotional, you know. She needed to tell this story, and that's probably why I'm like, get it out. Frustration.
Deliver a message to you. Stop selling guns to color. Do it again. They raped me.
You violated your woman, your mama. Oh, shit. The empathy before anger, yeah? Oh, shit. I hate Clay, but he's getting to my soul. Take your shit, Jack. Dude, that's a lot. Ooh. I'm glad she's finally got that off her chest, man. From season 2, episode 1 to 10, holding that in. I mean, it was horrific to watch when it was happening. But I'm just so glad she's told them, and hopefully now they can make a smarter, more controlled move than if she told them episode 2. So Jack isn't leaving. Jack isn't leaving. Yay, for a start. It's a shame that this had to be the catalyst for him to stay. But at the same time, it's a beautiful thing that devastation can bring unity. Sometimes bad things happen and it's the reset button. You know, you have family disputes and rare, and then someone dies or something bad happens and it's like nothing ever happened and everyone is just behind that family member or whatever. So that was a beautiful thing, and I'm glad to see empathy from both of them, more so than anger and just busting out the door, guns in hand, let's go kill. So yeah, that was a really deep, tough ending, but it needed to be done, and I'm glad it had the effect that it did. I'm going to leave this here because I'm so emotional. Ridiculous. Oh, mamma mia. I cry for everything, good, bad, ugly, but woo! Hope you enjoyed this one. Please like, comment or subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the new year, so hit that button, hit the notification button, or just come check me out for the next video. Peace, love. Until next time. Bye.